In this video, I'm breaking down what to do when a wire sponge accidentally messes up your stove's backing, like when it scrapes off paint and leaves those annoying gray marks you just can't wipe away. So here's the deal. First off, don't panic because it's not always game over when the paint gets scraped. The gray smudges coming off when you rub a paper towel probably means the top layer of paint or some residue is loose but not fully ruined. One solid move is to clean the area thoroughly with a gentle degreaser and let it dry completely before doing anything else. If you're thinking about fixing it yourself, sanding the damaged spot lightly with fine grit sandpaper can smooth out rough patches without making it worse. After that, grabbing some high heat stove paint is clutch because it's made to handle the heat without peeling or cracking. When you're painting, use thin layers and let each one dry to avoid drips, or uneven coverage. Patience here pays off big time. If you want to go the replacement route, finding the model number on your stove and ordering the exact part online or from a local supplier is usually the easiest fix, especially if the damage is pretty bad. But if the stove is older and parts are discontinued, repainting might save you a bunch of cash and still get things looking decent again. One of the biggest mistakes people make is rushing into scrubbing stoves with harsh tools like wire sponges without realizing those can chip paint and leave scratches. That's what happened here. Another common slip is trying to cover up damage with regular spray paint that isn't heat resistant, which peels off fast and looks worse. Lastly, not checking your stove's model number before buying replacement parts can lead to ordering the wrong stuff, wasting money and time. Always double check those details before hitting buy. To fix these issues, use soft sponges or cloths for cleaning, invest in heat-proof paint if you're going DIY, and keep your stove's manual or model info handy so you can order the right parts hassle-free. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're ever stuck on repairs or upgrades because it hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff inside out. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a sweet way to find steady gigs and connect with people needing pro help around their homes.